Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Pulaski County in northwest Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, southern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern Fulton County, Indiana, Stark County in northwest Indiana, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 1:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. These severe storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles south of Trail Creek to 8 miles southwest of Kingsford Heights to 7 miles south of North Judson, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the path of severe thunderstorms include LaPorte, Kingsford Heights and Knox, Hamlet, Culver, Lockerton and Coots Lake, North Liberty, Plymouth, Argos and Lakeville. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Beardstown, Tracy, Kingsbury, Bass Lake, Ora, Stillwell, South Center, Salem Heights, Winona, Byron, Rolling Prairie and Monterey. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, St. Joseph, and Stark.
Whoa.
No,